Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on the channel. Today we are going to be building another LEGO Star Wars micro fighter. This is the ARC-170 Starfighter set 75072. Now let's get straight into the build. Here's a quick look at all of the pieces before we begin, and there's one piece that clearly stands out from the rest. It's this 4x4 square with a hollowed center. So yeah, let's just get straight into the build. And there you have it, the ARC-170 Starfighter. Once again, I will say the set name, it was 75072, in case you are interested of purchasing it yourself. Comes with this figure. As you can see, it's got the glasses, it's got two faces. And here's him with the helmet on. Comes with a little gun as well, and he fits snugly into the Starfighter itself. Now these can actually shoot, these right here. The other one doesn't go too far, but anyways, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you all did enjoy. If you did, please comment, like and subscribe, and goodbye.